Updating your payment information on Steam is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open Steam. Launch the Steam application on your computer or visit the Steam website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account details. Navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage payment methods. In the account details section, look for the Manage Your Payment Method option. Click on this to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new payment method by clicking on the appropriate option. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Steam. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Steam's support page for further assistance.